In today's class, we will be learning the topic, Military Rule in Nigeria. Historical background. The first military regime in Nigeria began on January 15, 1966, led by Major Chukwuma Kaduna Nzeogwu. This coup resulted in the deaths of key political figures, including Prime Minister Alhaji Tafawa Balewa and Premier of the Northern Region Sir Ahmadu Bello. General Aguiyi Ironsi came to power but was overthrown and killed in a counter-coup on July 29, 1966, led by Northern officers, bringing Colonel Yakubu Gowon to power. On July 29, 1975, General Murtala Mohammed ended Gowon's rule in a coup. Mohammed was assassinated on February 13, 1976, in a failed coup by Lieutenant Colonel Buka Suka Dimka, and General Olusegun Obasanjo took over, eventually handing power to President Shagari on October 1, 1979. A coup on December 31, 1983, led by General Muhammad Buhari, ended Shagari's government. General Ibrahim Babangida overthrew Buhari on August 27, 1985. Babangida survived two coup attempts before retiring in 1993, handing over to an interim government led by Chief Ernest Shonkan. General Sani Abacha ousted Shonkan and ruled until his death on June 8, 1998. General Abdulsalam Abubakar succeeded Abacha and handed over to a democratically elected president on May 29, 1999. Reasons for military intervention in politics. Doubtful political leadership transitions and lack of free and fair elections. Corruption, nepotism, and favoritism by political leaders. Achievements of military regimes in Nigeria. Preservation of national unity during the Civil War. Infrastructural development and establishment of the National Youth Service Corps, NYSC. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.